Hi guys, welcome back into my channel. I'm currently in the Borisovata Gradina park in Sofia. This is the biggest park in Sofia and it's 140 years old. I haven't been posting any videos lately because after dodging the virus for 2 years I finally got it, and it was quite mild, but I wanted to take a break from everything and relax. Thanks a lot for being here again, and please bear with me if there is a small delay in the upload of the videos. Borisovata Gradina is translated as the Knyaz Boris's garden, named after the Bulgarian Tsar Boris III. It was established in 1882 and throughout the years was developed in 3 different stages by 3 reputable gardeners. At first, the Boris's garden was in the outskirts of Sofia, but as the city expanded, the park ended up right in the center of Sofia. The plants for the Japanese corner were imported from Japan. The corner is near to the lake with the lilies. It dates back to 1940 and is a symbol of the friendship between the Bulgarian and Japanese people. I'm gonna have to come back in 2 months to be able to see the lake with the lilies and the rose garden because now it's too early. But after being sick for almost 2 weeks, I needed to get out and I wanted to come here because I haven't been to this park in ages. As you can see, the Russian monument has been vandalized, and even though I don't approve of the war, I think that monuments should be treated with respect.